Mix carrot juice with ginger and consume for these incredible benefits. You already know that carrot juice is often considered as a healthy beverage choice, but adding fresh ginger to carrot juice can turn it into a nutritional powerhouse. This unique combination can provide several amazing benefits, including improved digestion. In today's video, I will reveal all that incredible benefits of consuming carrot juice with ginger. This combination heals many chronic diseases in the body and boosts your health. Be sure to watch this video until the end to know all the benefits and the simple recipe to prepare it. Let's get started. Carrot and ginger are the most popular among health-conscious people and are used around the world. Both contain a number of different vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Carrot is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, as well as important minerals and fiber. On the other hand, ginger is one of the most powerful spices in the world and is known for its medicinal and therapeutic qualities. It contains amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Let's see some of the incredible benefits of drinking a glass of carrot juice with ginger each day. First, it boosts your immune system. Carrot juice is full of antioxidants and vitamins that can help boost your immune system. The vitamins A and C in carrots help make immune cells. Ginger is also a natural anti-inflammatory, so it can help to reduce inflammation throughout your body. This combination can help to keep your immune system strong and healthy. Next, improve cardiovascular health. Ginger carrot juice is a delicious and healthy way to promote cardiovascular health. The ginger in the juice helps lower cholesterol levels, control blood pressure, and stop blood from clotting. While carrots provide a good source of antioxidants and vitamins. The antioxidants like beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and lutein are found in carrots, which helps to fight cholesterol and lower the risk of a heart attack. Reduces cancer risk. Ginger carrot juice naturally protects against cancer. The antioxidants in ginger and carrots can help to protect your cells from damage. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger may help to reduce your risk of cancer. Studies show that ginger can fight some types of cancers, such as lung, breast, skin, prostate, and ovarian cancer. Next, it's manage diabetes. Fresh ginger carrot juice can help to control diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Carrots are also good for diabetic people. They have a very low glycemic load and the carotenoids in them help control blood sugar. While ginger also helps stop health problems that come with diabetes and uncontrolled blood sugar. Improve skin health. Ginger carrot juice is a great way to improve your skin health. Because they are full of vitamin A and other antioxidants, carrots are good for the skin. They improve the elasticity of your skin and block acne. It also reduces pigmentation, marks, and uneven skin tone. Next, good for the digestive system. This one is the most important benefit of ginger carrot juices. Carrot is a good source of fiber, which is essential for good digestive health. It works on the mucous linings of the stomach and colon and helps treat constipation. Ginger is well known as a digestive aid. It helps the emptying of your stomach. Ginger lessens nausea, pain, and swelling, and reduces heartburn. Further, this juice also helps to cleanse the liver and kidneys, which are important organs for detoxifying the body. To prepare fresh ginger carrot juice, ingredients you will need: 4 to 6 carrots, ½ inch ginger root, 1/2 lemon, cinnamon powder, and sea salt if you'd like to use them. First, peel the carrots, then wash them in running water and dry them. Take off the skin of the ginger root and wash it well. Put the carrots and ginger pieces through a juicer to get the juice. Take out the juice into a glass. Next, squeeze the juice of 1/2 lemon into the carrot and ginger juice. Add a bit of sea salt or cinnamon for extra flavor if you wish. You can drink it once a day. It's best to drink it with your breakfast. Would you like to try ginger carrot juice after knowing these special benefits? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the information, then give it a thumbs up to support us, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.